it's Ariel with Seattle Coffee Gear, and today we are going to be using the Growlerwerks Nitro keg to make a little spiced vanilla nitro cold brew. So let's get right into it. Got my little glass here, and I have a vanilla cardamom syrup, and it's just to taste, so just kind of eyeball it. About that much. So now we're going to just fill our glass, leave about 1 inch of room. Okay, we're just gonna give that a little whirl, make sure that the syrup got incorporated. We're gonna top it with spiced vanilla sweet cream. So if you just pour it slow enough, it'll just kind of layer on top. So it's like a cold foam almost. Alrighty, and then we're just going to finish that off with a little extra dusting of cardamom. And that is it. Super simple spiced vanilla nitro cold brew. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next time, guys.